Hi, Dave from Fowled Waterfowlers here, and today I'd like to introduce you to a custom-made acrylic caul that I just love. This is a Real Caul original from Real Cauls. It's fully acrylic. This is a clear and chartreuse, and what I love about this caul, besides the great sounds and the way it feels in your hand, is this little insert knob. It's rounded on top. You can grab it quickly on your lanyard, fits right in your hand, and goes right to where you want it to be. I really like the sounds, I really like the looks, and I'd like to share it with you today. So I'm going to give it a few notes so you can get a little bit of an idea of what it sounds like. Just remember, I'm no stage caller, so cut me a little slack on this, all right? Here we go. Well, that's putting it through a few paces. Hope you like it. Hope you feel the ducky sound of it. Hope I see you on FowledUpWaterfowlers.com soon. Be good, be safe, and be lucky.